Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So decision making chapter we are discussing in managerial or management accounting. Decision making, as I told you in the very first class, different types of decisions we are going to discuss. The first one is make or buy decision. So we'll see theory part of this make or buy decision today. So first of all, you need to have a good understanding about make or buy. What is this decision? Say we are having manufacturing process, we are having our product. So when we have to give this product to the customers, till that period there are different stages, different components are required. So these components are different parts of that particular product. Shall we buy these components from outside? That's called as outsourcing. Okay. So shall we buy it from outside? Shall we manufacture inside only? That is inside manufacturing. Shall we go for inside manufacturing or shall we buy it from outside, outsourcing? Which one is best? So this is one of the major decision of any management. Why do we want to go for outsourcing? Why do we want to manufacture inside of the organization only? In-house manufacturing or taking from outsourcing? Why? Why do you want? Which one is best? For that you must analyze different variations, different kinds of situations you have to see. If you see first reasons for making, why we have to manufacture, why we have to make the product inside of the organization only, in-house production, why? These are the reasons. First reason, you can say cost concern. Cost is more if I buy it outside. Outsourcing is more. If I go for manufacturing inside, that would be better. Then this is one of the reason. And desire to expand the manufacturing focus. I want to expand this organization. How long I'll be depending on the outsourcing? Depending means always they may increase the price, they may decrease, sometimes they may stop the manufacture, they may not give the good quality of the product, whatever may be the reasons. So rather than that, if I want to extend, if I want to grab the total market, then better to make the product. That is why desire to expand the manufacturing focus. If you take example of Amazon, they always prefer to manufacture within only, that is product based company. There are some companies, they take outsourcing and they make the product and they'll dispose it to the customers. So those companies are depending on other companies. But TCS and also Google and Amazon and Tata products, all these product companies, they manufacture within the organization, they are not depending on anyone, right? So this is also one of the reason for making the product inside of the organization and need of direct control over the product. When we have to depend on other outsourcing, we are depending. Rather than depending, we want it to be independent, then automatically you better to make the product inside of the organization. That is why need of direct control over the product. We'll have the control because everything is inside of the organization, we are manufacturing. And quality control concerns. Quality we want to control. Sometimes the quality may not be good from the outsourcing. How long you will be giving complaint? If you manufacture in-house, then you will have a good understanding about the quality. You may give the better quality. So quality concern point of view also make the product. And unreliability of supplier. Sometimes suppliers may not supply properly. They stop, they may increase the price, they may do whatever they want, decreasing the quality. So these are all things we can say it as unreliability of the supplier. So why to headache? Let's go for manufacturing, make the product. And lack of competent suppliers. Suppliers are not there, very less. Suppliers are having monopoly in the market. Monopoly means automatically you have to buy the product there only. It is their wisdom, it is their wish. As per their desire, they are going to sell the product. So whenever there is a less competition, suppliers are not much, better to go for making the product. rather than depending on them, and lack of competent suppliers. This is over. Next, small volume. Sometimes we need small volume of products. So still, if you are willing, then you can go for the make. Sometimes large quantity is required. Then also it depends on the situation, you have to decide it. And in the same logistic cost in the sense transportation, shipping, and extra cost, whatever we are spending, that is making a burden on the organization, then automatically you better to make the product rather than buying from outside. And also organizational pride. When we are producing everything, all the parts of the product, everything is inside of the organization, we are manufacturing, then it's organizational pride. Organization feels very happy. Yes, everything is organization. We are not taking any outsourcing. And if any problem arises to the customers, this organization is reliable. They are ready to give the services because everything is inside of the organization, only production going on. That's, we can say it as these are the reasons for making. Sometimes rather than making, we'll buy it outside. Why to buy? Reasons for that also. Reasons for buying. First thing is that lack of technical experience. Technical knowledge related to that particular product, we don't have much knowledge. We don't have expertise people in the organization, then better to go for buying. We can't take any experiments. In the same way, expertise suppliers. Suppliers are also, expertise people are not there. Then if you find expertise suppliers, why to manufacture? Buy it from them directly. Focus on other aspects rather than manufacturing. Rather than making the product, focus on other activities. Buy from the suppliers because they are expertised. Better to buy. In the same way, cost considerations. Cost is also okay, reasonable. If I manufacture, suppose say, if I manufacture per product, it is coming to 10 rupees, my manufacturing cost. And if I buy it from outside, say it is 9 rupees or 9 rupees 50 paisa. If I wanted to buy it from outside, means manufacturing is 10 rupees, but buying it outside is 9 rupees 50 paisa. What do you choose? This one only. If I manufacture 10 rupees, but outside 9 rupees 50 paisa it is available. So better to go for that. So that's we call it as a cost consideration. We have to see the cost, which one is best. Say for example, if I manufacture 10 rupees, outside people are charging 11 rupees. Manufacture 10 rupees, outside 11 rupees. 1 rupee I am saving it. 1 rupee I am saving it. But remember always, this 1 rupee I am saving, but how many products are required? Quantity of the products. Say quantity of products are only 100 are required. 100 into 1 comes to 1000 rupees only. 1000 rupees only I am going to save by manufacturing this product. If the production is more, say 1 crore or 2 crores are there, then automatically, so this 1 rupee is also going to save 1 crore rupees. So based on that, you have to take the decisions. That's about the small volume required. And lack of place for production. There is no place for the production. Any byproduct you wanted to manufacture means you need go down, you need lot of place for the work environment, production department 1 to 2, store, material storage, and all these things, place is required. Where you are finding lack of place, no place, better to buy the product from outside and complete your work. And brand preferences, sometimes good brands are there. Having a lot of command over the market, customers trust these brands. If that kind of brands are available within the cost and reliable, then automatically you better to go for the product directly rather than making it, buy the product from the brands of the companies. In the same strategic partnership, you may have some collaborations also. That's we call it as a strategic partnership. If company A we are having, we are manufacturing, but we are taking outsourcing from company B. outsourcing from company B we are getting. But we have a very good understanding, they are reliable, they are ready to supply the goods within the reasonable price and also in time, then why to take risk? Let's have a collaboration with this company, a good strategic partnership you can say. With that you can focus on the marketing and other aspects, right? So in that way, so these are the reasons for buying the product. Shall we make, shall we buy? Different reasons are there. If you know the reasons, then only you can just go ahead whether to buy or sell. So sorry, to buy or to make. And now you must know various stages of make or buy decisions. If you want to make or if you want to buy. But what is the stages? What is the procedure? Only 4 stages are there. First stage is that planning stage. Planning stage, you are going to decide, you are going to inquire that shall we make, shall we buy, what is better, what is good. As I gave you a small example, it is only a small example, there are many ways you have to think. So that's about the planning stage. If planning is over, then evaluation stage. At evaluation stage, you will be thinking about the other alternatives also. How many alternatives are there? Which one is best? What are the drawbacks? What are the merits? So like all these things you are going for the evaluation. The next analyzing it. So after analyzing it, later selection. Which one is best? Shall we make or shall we buy it? So these stages already we have discussed in the first class. Same type of stages. Only the thing is you have to understand what is make, what is buy concept. Am I clear? Take a screenshot or note down. Next class we will see the practical problems related to the make or buy. Did you subscribe to our channel? Please do subscribe, like and share these videos. Please comment it in the comment box whether you are understanding or not, and any other subjects whatever is required, please write it in the comment box and do support to our channel. Practice well. Good luck.